Hello everyone, I am Upasana Taneja. In today's video, we have this question where we are given root x raised to power root x raised to power root x up to so on infinity, and we need to find the value of x. Okay, so whenever you have this kind of question, these questions can be asked in like Maths Olympiad, in university competitions. Okay, and this is very simple and easy. There is just one trick you need to know, that if you know that this thing root x raised to power root x raised to power root x is infinity. Okay, suppose I don't see this root x. Okay, I don't see this root x, I just see others here. Then this will also be equal to what? 1 by 2 only, right? Because they are also same like this whole. Okay, so what do? I write root x, and all these things I write as 1 by 2, because I know that this all is equal to 1 by 2, right? So this is equal to then 1 by 2. Now what will I do? This is x raised to power 1 by 4, because root x means x raised to power 1 by 2, and this whole is power 1 by 2, right? So this is x raised to power 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Now since I want to find the value of x, so what will I do? I will take power 4 on both sides. So here it will cancel out and we are left with x, and on right hand side 1 by 2 raised to power 4 is 1 by 16, right? So what is the value of x now? X is 1 by 16. Okay, so I hope you understood this. This was very easy and important question. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and for more such videos you can visit my channel. And if you like maths riddles, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.